Hey there, this is Corey Mann, Pondtent Ponds and Landscaping. You want to start feeding your fish when the water temperature reaches a constant 50 degrees. However, fish are coming out of their seasonal hibernation into 50-degree water, and they cannot metabolize all of the ingredients of all season food formulas. As it gets warmer, maybe between 50 and 55 degrees in the spring, the fish will start eating more, and they need food they can easily digest. Fish are not yet operating with a full system as they ease into the warmer weather, so cold weather food is best. Feed a cold weather food until the water temperature reaches 60 degrees, at which point you can move to your full season feeding program. Thank you for watching. If you need more information, please give us a call at 734-726-5061 or go to our website, www.PondtentPonds.com.